Hey, you want to make a audio visualization. So how do we do that? First, we start off with a cube. Now we're going to add shape keys to it. Over to the right, we're going to click on the green triangle icon. We're going to then click on the plus symbol underneath shape keys. We create a basis. Now we're going to click the plus symbol again, and this is going to be our key. We're going to hit tab, then 3 on our keyboard, select the top, G, Z, go up, and this will be our bar symbol going up, tab, and as you can see, as I move the value, it's going up and down. So I think that's good for what I want to do. I am now going to click N on the keyboard and Y, go like this. And the sound of audio that a human can hear is from 0 to 20,000 hertz. So we're going to do ranges for the bar going up and down for specific ranges. And 10 is usually a pretty good range. So let's go ahead and copy this 10 times. Now that we copied this 10 times, let's go to frame 0, make this start at frame 0. We're going to right click, insert keyframe. Now notice none of the other ones have a keyframe, it's only this one. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus button up here, video editing, shift A, we're going to do sound, and you're going to navigate to wherever you have your sound. In my case, it is in my downloads. So like so, I'm going to click on display waveform and I can actually see it. Now on playback, this is very important. Click here and we want sync to audio. So that way our animation will actually be in sync with our audio. Now we're going to go back to the animation workspace, go back here. We're going to go over here, click on this icon and we're going to click on graph editor. Now that we have graph editor selected, we're going to click A to make sure everything's selected. The menu icon here, key, bake sound to F curve. Now we're doing 0 to 20,000. So 20,000 divided by 10 is 2,000. So it's going to be within 2,000 range. So 2,000. So 0 to 2,000. And now we're going to click again where our audio file is. Bake sound to F curve. Okay. Now if we hit play, now we have the basis for that audio range. Now we just got to repeat the process for the rest. Like keep adding 2,000. So key again. And as you can see, there was nothing. We have to go back over here with a green triangle icon. Right click, insert keyframe. Menu icon, key, bake sound to F curve. Click on this. And we want add. So we can do plus 2,000, enter. Plus 2,000, enter. Bake sound to F curve, and we're just going to repeat this process. And there we go. Now if we hit play, we can see the audio visualization.